Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping in the Prescott National Forest and we just tried out this very interesting elote seasoning from Williams Sonoma. Keep watching this video to see how it tastes. I've got this elote seasoning that I got from Williams Sonoma. Now it just says elote cheese, chilies, and lime rub. Sounds super delicious. If we look at the ingredients, it has sugar, salt, corn flour, chili pepper, Parmesan cheese, and then some other delicious sounding flavorings. It is kind of different. It comes in a decorative jar, but then it is inside of a bag, but it smells super, super good. First, let's dump it into our jar. It's kind of funny they give you such a big jar because doesn't even fill up like half of it. And then to try this, I wanted to try it on something with a pretty neutral flavor. It doesn't actually say on this, or maybe it does. Let's read right here. This says you can use it on corn or salmon or shrimp, but today I just want to make it easy, so I just have some microwave steamer green beans, and we will just sprinkle this on because green beans have a pretty neutral flavor, so let's try that out. Normally I am not into seasoning mixes, but I've been seeing this elote seasoning all over the internet lately. You can buy it pretty much anywhere. And then we'll sprinkle the seasoning on top. Our green beans are done steaming, and let's sprinkle on some of the elote rub. Man, is that good. Now, like I said, green beans are kind of a canvas you can put any kind of flavors on, and it is super, super tasty to put this Williams Sonoma elote seasoning on these green beans. I was not expecting it to be that good. And you can taste the corn a little bit because there is corn flour in here, but you do taste the lime and the chilies. Well, this elote seasoning is super delicious, and if it's good on green beans, I'm sure it's even better on corn, or like on the can, it says you can put it on salmon or shrimp. I bet it would be really good on chicken too. Well, if you like this video, definitely check out this elote seasoning. You can pick some up from Williams Sonoma. And if you really like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, and please comment down below. It really helps us out. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.